Hey guys, Terran Gaming here. Today I'm joined by EJ. Say hi, EJ. EJ, say hi. Okay, today, you see, he's playing Secret. So am I. What room is that? What room? What room? What room? Just tell me the room. Okay, just whisper. Okay, EJ's checking the room. Meanwhile, that's the rare slots. Not totally picking my videos right now. That is sector C. C, okay.
Pinalakad pa ako malayo.
Okay, EJ, where are you? My Thingamajig just gone. Okay, EJ, okay, Hambugsag Pro. Ano ka ginagawa mo dyan, Hambugsag Pro? Okay, today,
Nanakaw ako din eh.
we are getting items. Mag-trading.
Gusto mo yan? Ayaw mo? Sasapungan kita.
Who can give me item?
Yung sapatos, BJ.
Here. Do you want this? I'll put the video and come back when someone wants this. Guys, there's a doubler here. I'm gonna check if he's real or not. Okay, his name is Luigi. You double.
1 frame or 3 event. 1 frame or 3 event.
Okay,
Ayun no, BJ, kung bibigay ka.
Ha? Yes.
Ito lang naman.
Okay. I don't trust him. I don't trust him, okay? I do not trust him. Give him that.
Thank you. Ay, apat tayo. Dagdagan mo pa, dagdag pa.
Unlock mo, unlock mo. Unlock mo, unlock mo. Unlock! Oh, tinanggal niya. Tinanggal niya yung pumpkin. He took off the pumpkin. Some people are just scammers, you know.
1 more. Hindi ka nagbigay. Hindi ka nagbigay, babasagin ko yung mukha mo na yan. Babarilin kita.
EJ said, if you don't give more, he'll punch you in the face.
Oh, BJ, ang ganda.
That's, no, pangit yan.
Ay,
Pangit na yan. That's ugly. That's ugly.
oh, kasi.
Pangit na.
Madami.
Pangit lang yan eh.
Kahit na.
Mayroon ka ng 10 ganyan. Yan, hindi na bibili. Yung mga binibigay mo, hindi
Sabihin ko,
na.
ibahin mo.
Change it to event. Sabi mo, change it to event. Change. Unang gawin ko ba ito?
Mali. Yan?
Change to event. To event. Okay guys, I'll be back in a second.
Hindi ba nga lahat?
Okay guys.
Kabait. Hindi ba nga lahat?
Okay.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin, okay. Pumpkin and what? Give more. One more event. Say one more event. One more event lang. Okay.
Ayaw niya na.
Finally.
Visit kaya?
I don't wanna. Okay. Darwin. I want something good. Okay. Shane. Okay, Shane.
Boot.
Shane.
May nag-request na naman sa akin, babae. Oh, lumayos ka.
Shane, I want to go my event. Okay na.
Sabi ang gusto nga, pag kumuha ng magagawa, may service. Hindi yung kamukha na ni Kuya Betty kailangan daw nga nito.
Why do you want it? Okay, Daniel. What do you give Daniel? Daniel! Wow!
Saan ba kayong dalawa? Wala naman kayo dito.
I know. That will make it awesome.
Malapit na labas yun.
Siyempre, kung may mga service.
Wala po dyan.
Yeah, no, EJ. EJ, let's play Race Maze. Breaking the record of most score in stick run. See so many score.
Ay, baka
Died
makuryente ka naman dyan.
in a second. So many score. Why? Come on. I win. See? That's awesome. Bro. Oh no. Come on. AJ, I want to do something. Come on, edited.
May gamit na mo tayo
Okay.
Umayos ka dyan.
Ayoko. Bakit?
Okay.
Sabi mo gamit na
I'll be back when someone wants this. Hey, EJ. EJ, tignan mo. Tignan mo, EJ. EJ, tignan mo yung bibigay.
Saan na ako? Bawal na.
Oh!
Bawal na mo dalawa ito. Bakit alam mo?
I just got so many things. Let's check it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. That is worth it. Absolutely worth it. I'm gonna throw this again. Say. No. Okay, I'll...
Bawal na mo. Dala mo na inyo may. Hindi na ito mo telepon mo.
Okay, I have so many events right now. It's unbelievably many.
Akin dandalit.
The moment I like you, but she likes you.
Makadami tato. Dukit dali ka mo bawal din dami mo tato. Anak.
Yeah.
Hindi ako buki galing sa ako.
Say, that's actually awesome. Good to think. No, fine. I'll pause the... Okay, now guys, bye-bye. The end of the video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, I actually fixed my webcam actually. That's why you see my webcam.